Hi everybody, all my followers, everybody on YouTube, be welcome to another video. So, today the car is a Seat Ibiza. This is I think it's a 2004 Ibiza. And this car came to me because of this. So I'm gonna turn the ignition on. And it came to me because of that. You see, the yellow light? That's the one. So, the reason for that light is actually rather simple. It's because of these seats. As you can see, they are now the factory seats. And, well, there's no pretensioners, there's no airbags on this. And that's the reason why we have this light on. So, I was requested to see if we could turn it off and leave, obviously, all the other airbags working. And that's what we're gonna do. Let's gonna try to turn it off. Okay, so the first thing I've done was connect the battery maintainer. Obviously we don't want the battery to go low on this. And the next thing I have done is load VCDS. Sorry guys, because I just want to confirm that I have no other codes there. That's gonna make my attempt impossible. So we have power supply voltage B+, signal to low. That's an intermittent fault. While I was connecting the battery charger, the battery maintainer, I've noticed the positive lead on the battery was a little bit loose. So it might be that was that. They might have been doing something. Anyway, not concerned about the intermittent ones. Is the other two. So side airbag igniter N200 and side igniter driver side N199. So that's the ones we need to try to turn off. Okay, and from my main screen, we should be able to do it through here, but I don't know what's the outcome because I've never done this. So I think we will be trying. So driver passenger side. Okay, so front passenger side airbag deactivation. The other one. Okay, it might be that one. So we'll try that. And then the one in there. And then you have pretensioners, but it says nothing about the pretensioners. So hang on, just before I carry on, let me check something. Okay, I just checked under the seat. There is a plug with 3 wires. So one is going to be earth, the other one is going to be for the igniter. And I don't think was pretensioners on this car. It was only the side airbags on the seat. So we're gonna perform the side airbag deactivations. Okay, and to do that we will select driver passenger side. So front driver airbag is the steering wheel one, so front passenger side. So we'll do the side, where's the side? Front driver side. So front driver side. So let's do the driver side first. So is enabled, new value. Let's gonna test. So 1 airbag disabled. Let's gonna test 1. Let's test disabled, test value. It's okay. The save button is gone. Why is gone? Driver side airbag. Driver side airbag. Okay, so it's already saying disabled. Let's then go back. I don't know if that saved it actually. Okay, now let's gonna do passenger side airbag deactivation. So it's 0. Let's gonna 1. Let's press test. Now it says save. Okay. That's interesting. Okay, let's go to... I don't know if I've done the other one. I'm a little bit confused now. Okay, let's close the controller. Why the other one didn't allowed me to save. Let's turn these off. My light is flashing. Let's turn these off. Ignition back on again. And my light is flashing, which was not flashing before. So let's go to airbags again. It's the fault codes. Disabled. So let's clear codes. Yes. So okay. So it just says these two faults saying they are disabled. And driver side. Okay. Then go back. Do I need to clear these faults now? No, because they don't clear, do they? They just come back straight away. Yeah, okay. So done, go back, close controller. Okay, let's go now. Ignition off. Ignition back on. I don't think I need to start the engine for this. Let me see what happens now. So the light flashes. It's just gonna stay flashing then. Okay, one of the things I've noticed is that this light is now completely off. Oh, and the light flashes for a few seconds and goes off. Look at that. Job done. I think that's all you need really. And all the other airbags, they should stay functional. So that front airbag should stay functional. This front airbag should remain functional. It's the only two airbags left on the car. There's nothing else. So, and I think that's it, really. Let's just recap. Let's go back to my airbags again. And obviously, I want to see what's in there. So my light obviously comes on, which is normal while you are scanning. Oh dear, my battery is dying. Okay, battery on charge. Whew, that was close. Okay, so oh yeah, those faults they remain in there. I believe just as a warning, saying that the airbags are being disabled. But it looks like this actually does the trick. So it should go off now, because I've just came off from scanning the car, the module. So it flashes a little bit and then goes off. That's it. I think this will do, I guess. So let me try now to start the engine. This car is a little bit noisy. So let me close this. Let me start the engine. Let me disconnect the battery maintainer. All done. Okay, so let's gonna start the engine and see exactly what happens. There we go. So I believe it flashes just as a warning to say they have been disabled, but the light goes off. The engine light is on, but that's a different story. But yeah, it looks like it works. That's it, my friends, and I think I'm gonna wrap up this video here. There is indeed another issue with this car, which is the key fob. It locks the car but does not unlock, but that's going to be featured on a different video. So for now, guys, I think that's it. I hope there's some information here, guys, you can take it forward. And just before I wrap it up, yes, the original plugs, they're still under the seat. I could also do this by just put some resistors in there, but if you can do it by coding or programming, is always better than with the resistors. So I think that's it for this video. So as I was saying, guys, I hope there's some information here you guys find it useful and you can take it forward. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do have any questions, any comments, please put them below. And like always, guys, thanks so much for watching.